Introducing the future of scar care, where science meets nature in perfect harmony. Welcome to the Exosome Tri-Synergy formula by Dr. Speron, a luxurious, all-natural scar treatment unlike anything you've ever experienced. Crafted with over 35 years of medical expertise, this breakthrough formula elevates scar care into a ritual of rejuvenation. At its heart lies the Exosome Tri-Synergy formula, a rare fusion of grapefruit, rose flower, and sheep exosomes, paired with oxygenated purified water, medical-grade silicones, and a powerful blend of hyaluronic acid, probiotics, peptides, and vitamins A through E. From the cellular level, this elite cream hydrates, nourishes, and balances scar tissue, stimulating collagen, enhancing circulation, and gently restoring your skin's natural look and feel. Lightweight, silky, never sticky. It's a scar solution you'll love to use every day, on every scar. Infused with soothing aloe oil, ancient Japanese green tea, and skin-loving CoQ10, this formula calms irritation, fades redness, and protects against environmental stressors. For new scars, for old scars, for every story your skin tells, this is the luxury of true healing. Dr. Speron's Natural Scar Removal Cream, powered by the Exosome Tri-Synergy formula. Luxury in every drop, science in every touch, confidence in every glance.